So today I'll be showing you how you can fix your voice chat not working in Steam or CSGO or any other app on your Mac after updating to Mac OS Mojave. So firstly, you want to go to Friends and Chat over here, click on the settings icon, and then you want to go to Voice. You want to start your microphone test. Try saying something. If it's working, you should see a bar near your name. If it's not working, that means Steam is not recognized. It's not recognizing your mic. So you want to end that. Close this for now, and you need to go to System Preferences. Go through here. Security and privacy. You want to go to privacy. Go to microphone, and you need to check Steam if it's unchecked. Quit now. Reopen Steam. Stop it. Now let's see if it's working. Hello. Yeah, you can see this bar going up. That means our mic is working. So I hope that guys helped you, and thanks.